everyone, welcome back. We are back at Arapiles. Check this place out. Oop, it's a bit windy, but it's beautiful. Alrighty, let's get set up. So we were here, I don't know, about 3 months ago, I think. And if you haven't seen that, that over there is Mount Arapiles. And if I scan around this way, that's the Grampians National Park, or Garraward.
And as time goes by, memories unwind, but you're always on my mind until the end of time.
So tonight we're having jacket potatoes in the fire with coleslaw, ham and sour cream. Something really simple but delicious. Little bug, you're not welcome. So inside the tent, Scoob, you're going in. It's much the same as in previous videos. I've got the foil liner on the bottom because the dogs will sleep on the floor and that just keeps a little bit of the cold out. Picnic rug, a rug, and they'll have their tops for their beds as well on the floor. So there's plenty of room for them. They'll be really comfy. We've just got our stretchers, our inflatable mattresses and some old sleeping bags. Yeah, so pretty cool. Come on, Scoob. There we go. Good boy. There you go. Good man. That smells nice, doesn't it, buddy? Right, I am going to be very, very lazy and try and save some washing up. So we're actually going to eat on those.
That's all right.
Ooh, look at that. Ooh, a little bit burnt, but that's okay. Nice. Also a little bit charcoal, but excuse me, it'll be fine. Cheese. Cheese is good. Stay on there. Sour cream. Ham. Oh my goodness, this is so big. Loaded baked potatoes. Oh, good grief, yum.
That mayo's spectacular.
Yeah, it's pretty good, isn't it? Oh, nice, Scoobs. Sissy. Oh, nice, buddy. Oh, nice, sweetheart. Good girl. No, nice. Woo! Good morning. What a great night.
I woke up feeling on top of the world, like nothing's ever gonna bring me down. This feeling got me flying high as a bird. I may never touch the ground.
Hey, mate. You're very pretty. All right, you have a good day. We'll leave you be. Mount Arapiles is really clear today. The dish is done, kettle's on. I think we might just have a quiet and relaxing afternoon. 31st of December 2023. 6 hours left until the new year begins. It's been a huge year for us. We both started new jobs. We started a very average, very
Second rate.
second-rate YouTube channel. Yeah, so we just wanted to say Happy New Year. We hope you have a brilliant New Year's Eve. We hope you have a brilliant 2024. It's been a big one. We're looking forward to more adventures next year. A little bit of insight, why do we do this? So last year, 2022, we lost both our mums, mine to Alzheimer's disease. And I watched her deteriorate and lose her memory and just about everything over those 10 years. So we thought, what a great idea if we could just record ours so that when we don't know what YouTube is anymore,
Yep.
and
or where to find it.
or where to find it, that someone hopefully will show us what we've been up to over the years. So yeah, thank you again for your support. Thank you for coming along on our adventures, and we hope to see you next year. Cheers.
I just want to celebrate. I just want to celebrate. 'Cause it's a good day, good life. I just want to celebrate all night.
Cheers, big ears. Happy New Year's.
Well, I'm not sure there's any better way to spend a Saturday night. Sitting around the fire, listening to classic 80s on the radio, having a sing-along, a couple of wines. Yep, pretty cool. Good morning. Well, we're just about packed up. Rick's just putting the final touches to the roof rack. Where is he? There he is. It's pretty much loaded to the gunnels. We didn't do much filming this morning because it's going to be quite warm. It's already about 25 degrees. And we wanted to get packed up and on the road for the puppies so they've got some aircon. Yeah, so we've had a fantastic weekend. Thank you so much to the owners of this amazing property for hosting us for another weekend. Thank you for joining us for our final video for 2023. Well, it's 2024 now, and you probably won't see it for another couple of weeks. But yeah, thank you anyway, and we shall see you on the next one.